Namaste, namaste, namaste. Thank you very much for this video. My name is Amit and I am digital marketing trainer for hotel, resort and restaurant. Today, I am making this video just for you. This video is this video is just for all those brothers and sisters who are contacting me, contacting my team and asking about how I associate with the hotels for hotel digital marketing. There is a question in their mind, what will be my formula associating with hotels? First of all, gratitude, thank you for watching myself and contacting myself and my team. I am really very sorry for all those who has called us and we miss the telephone from there. Again, I am sharing you some small points in front of you how we associate with the hotels in terms of digital marketing. As I told you earlier, we are only digital marketing trainer, not an agency. Our motive is to train hotel employees, hotel general managers and hotel owners how they can rank their content, their website, their OTA pages, their Google map on first pages on the Google. And I am sure you agreed with me. If a hotel general manager or a hotel head of the department like chef, F&B manager, housekeeping manager understand, learn and capable to market their department product and services on internet, I am sure their 80% of problems will be solved related to revenues. 20% ego problem that cannot be solved by anyone. So I'm sorry today I'm not feeling so well because I think because my mama has made ice cream and I eat almost 5 cups. So I'm having a little, cough and cold, maybe a COVID also. But actually, we are not going out. Our peoples do all the jobs for us, but we never know where we get contaminated. I am vaccinated now, and I'm sure you also vaccine and doing perfectly in your life. So let's come back on the subject. What will be our formula associating hotels, resorts, restaurants as digital marketing trainer? Today I am going to share you one of the option which I really like and I am sure you also agreed with me. Let us shake hand together for marketing your property on internet. I will be and my team will be digital marketing trainer for your peoples, all your employees. Every day I want 5 minutes of your each employee which I think has brain and they use the brain. That's it. And I will be giving you a commitment in written that your yearly revenue goals, I'm going to market that. I'm going to get it done. I'm going to get business for your organization. I'm sure this statement is very big, but trust me, if you hold this video now and search on Google, hotel marketing experts in the world, you will find myself and my team members on the first page on the Google. Do you know why? Because from last many years we are doing research and development how we can use this internet as a communication platform rather than business or marketing. Our digital marketing standards, strategies and practices totally different, which is not available on YouTube, any courses. I have recently seen one of the gentlemen who is one of the best digital marketer for hotels. He is offering his digital marketing course is 99 rupees. You can also try that also, and then maybe you take our services also. So the long story short is, if you want that we do digital marketing for your hotel, our way is we will associate with you, we will teach and train your employees, we will give them daily basis some task to do that. If they do it, there is no fees. If they don't do it, I'm going to charge a penalty. So, and then whatever business we generate for your organization, give us certain percentage as token of love. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure this video has lot of grammatical mistake, as my English is not too good, but I'm very good in software programming and understanding Google search engine and all. I'm going to make same video in the Hindi language also, and I'm going to make this video in my local language also, Rajasthani, which I'm very good to speak. So if you have problem, let us together work for your organization, and trust me, I am a local guy. I work for hotels for many years. I work in F&B department. I work in food production department. My last position was executive corporate chef in 5-star hotel. I look after multiple hotels, and so I know the hotel operations, hotel knowledge, as well as this digital marketing. I have a strong competency and great skills to teach anyone who is working in the hotel industry about how Google and YouTube search engine work, how using some strategy and tactics you can rank your hotel on top pages on organic search engine. And then, because nowadays customers are coming from mobile, definitely a big target of revenues using internet you will find very small. That is the reason, because I have seen that with many hotels. I am so confident that we can do that. Namaste. Thank you very much indeed. My phone number you will find down of this video. You can contact our team member, or maybe you can write email to myself sharing about your property, and I'm going to share you a great information, a great strategy how we can work together in a model where performance matter. Thank you very much. Bye bye.